Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring some of the most beautiful and historic spots in Évora, Portugal. Let's go see what makes this city so special. From the Miradouro do Jardim Diana, enjoy stunning panoramic views of Évora, its historic rooftops, and the beautiful Alentejo landscape. Right next to it stands the Templo Romano de Évora, one of Portugal's best preserved Roman monuments, dating back to the 1st century. A stunning reminder of the city's ancient past. One of Évora's most remarkable spots is the Capela dos Ossos, or Chapel of Bones. Its walls are lined with the bones and skulls of thousands of monks, built in the 16th century as a reminder that life is short and precious. Just outside Évora, the Cromeleque de Vale Maria do Meio is a peaceful stone circle from prehistoric times. It's quiet, mysterious, and full of ancient energy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me next time for more travel adventures.